The Mini SC comes with 4 laser-cut panels, some electrical components, a power supply, and a car adapter. There is also a rectangular shim to assist in construction. If you bought the deluxe kit, you will also get 4 Arctic P8 Max fans. You will need to purchase 2 IKEA Starkwind filters. To install the fans, press each one onto the nylon push pins. Be sure that the Arctic logo label is facing up. Keep the fan cable away from the sides as they will interfere with the filters. Use the palm of your hand to press them firmly in place, taking care to apply pressure only to the frame of the fan and not the fan blades. Now we will assemble the frame. Begin with the bottom panel. The pre-installed rubber feet will leave a gap along the edge. To make installation easier, use the rectangular shim to brace the edge of the panel while inserting the sides. Start with the side panel that has the handle. Be sure that the 2 holes are towards the bottom. Start by inserting one edge into the corner fitting and then pressing the whole panel in. Now do the same with the other panel. Now take the top panel and using the shim, repeat the procedure until the whole frame is together. Now we are going to install the power input cable into the larger of the 2 holes on the side panel. Remove the nut. Insert the jack from the inside of the frame. Use a wrench or pliers to tighten the nut. Now we will install the speed control. Remove the knob from the control shaft. Remove the nut and the washer. Insert the control shaft through the smaller hole and ensure that the wires are pointing upwards and away from the sides. Put on the washer, followed by the nut. Use a wrench or pliers to tighten the nut. Turn the control shaft all the way counterclockwise, and then install the knob so that the indicator is pointing towards the bottom left. Now attach the small connector from the control knob to the board. It has an irregular shape, making it impossible to connect the wrong way. Now connect the other end of the power cable to the board. There is a tab on the side that should click in place when you press it down. Now we will connect the fans to the controller board. The connectors have a tab to prevent inserting the fan cable in the wrong way. Just line up each connector with the tab and insert all 4 fan cables. It doesn't matter which connector you use. Now we are going to test the connections. Use the included power supply, a 12-volt, 2-amp rated wall plug. If the knob is turned all the way down, the fans will not turn, but a red light on the board will show power present. Turn the knob clockwise to control the speed. Now we are going to tidy up all the cables. The bottom of the controller has a pressure-sensitive mounting pad. Just peel off the film and press it into the center of the bottom panel as shown. Using the supplied cable ties, bundle up the fan cables so they won't fall into the blades. With a pair of scissors, trim the cable ties, being careful not to snip any of the wires. Now it's time to add the filters. Note that the black strip is facing out, and that the little tab is facing up. Insert the filter just a little bit until all the sides have cleared the panel, and then press it into place. Repeat the procedure with the second filter. Plug it in again to ensure all is working.